Okay, let's talk about the Cass Scenic Railroad. Alright, where to start? It is my favorite place in the world. I love the sounds, smells. Smell of the coal smoke is my favorite. I have countless videos of it on my iPod. Most of the videos, if not all of the videos, are from a good friend of mine named Jason McKinney. Ghost Cop 5 is his name. I even have a freaking train as my background. There's Shay number 2, number 4, number 5, Shay number 11, Big 6, and Heisler number 6. And the climax is under restoration right now by the Mountain State Railroad and Logging Historical Association. I look forward to being around that engine whenever it's completely restored. And I like that kind of stuff. I'm a train buff, and whenever we go to Railfan Weekend, I look forward to meeting Dylan, Patrick, and Jason. It's just, most people think it's weird that, oh, you like trains, ha 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 ha. Okay, get over it. I like trains, oh well. But it's something I like to do. I like to talk about it. I talk about it all of the time. That's all that me, Patrick, and Jason talk about is trains, 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 and a little bit of music. I love music. I play the piano, obviously. Let's see, number 2. Number 2 was built in, 1928, and I think it was a 90-ton locomotive. Number 4 was built in 1922, and 70-ton model. Number 5 was built in 1905. It's the oldest, and it's the oldest of Cass. Number 7, which isn't operational anymore, was built in 1920, which was a 70-ton model. And Shay number 11 was built in 1923, which was almost 110 tons. It's the second largest locomotive there at Cass, and Big 6 is 162 tons. Don't like that one that much, but oh well. Dylan likes that one. Dylan Sparks. Then there's the Heisler 6, which was built in 1929 by the Heisler Locomotive Works in Erie, Pennsylvania. So, if you love Cass Scenic Railroad as much as me, just give me a video response telling me what you like about it, and if you want to tell me a little bit about the history, because I know this much about the history. But if you want to, just go ahead and make me a video response and tell me what you like about it. And look forward to hearing from you.